Not only do I have Bobby Legate today, I also have the newest member of the Canaday group, Lee Ann Canaday. We wanted to talk about dogs today, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay, you can go now, Mimi. Bye. Okay. So let's talk about dogs, okay?
Absolutely. Sounds great.
So you had a story, right?
I do. It's not a fun one.
Don't tell the end of it, okay? I don't want to
Yeah.
hear that part.
Okay. Yeah, we'll leave that as is.
Good.
Yeah, so one of the issues, since we're always talking about insurance here, is discussing dogs. Part of your policy that's very important to look at is what's called animal liability. So your coverage on your homeowner's insurance policy, it's called coverage E, personal liability. Part of that, some carriers cover dogs automatically, some exclude, so it's very specific. If you own pets, you definitely need to ask your broker to specifically look into this for you. So, for instance, I had a dog that unfortunately did nip the back of an Amazon deliveries driver's hand, and that created a $20,000 lawsuit against us. So, good times.
Oh, no.
Yeah. So home insurance policies, a lot of people may or may not know this, but when you buy a home, the standard policy comes with liability coverage, coverage E. The bare minimum each policy comes with is $100,000. My brokerage minimum is $300,000. You can often buy $500,000, and some carriers even go to $1 million.
Without the umbrella.
Correct.
And with an umbrella, you can go to anything.
Yeah, up to, typically $1 to $5 million at $1 million increments, which one of our other episodes we did speak about umbrella policies. So to buy an umbrella, you do have to have at least $300,000 on the homeowner's insurance to qualify. So that is our basic minimum. For instance, my home insurance policy does cover animals automatically. What you need to really dive into is understanding the breeds. They do discriminate, unfortunately, against certain breeds. The biggest known ones are Rottweilers, Doberman Pinschers, Akitas, Chows, Wolf hybrids is a fun one. Wolf hybrids, yeah, some people have.
Pass on that.
Yeah, they're about as big as you walking through the house. So every carrier is a little bit different, but you do want to disclose that. Actually, the one carrier I have out of 60 is Encompass in California that does not discriminate against any breed. They're the only carrier I have that doesn't. They only care about prior bite history. So it's always important to bring that up because, you open the door, you never know, the dog gets out in the park, bites somebody or hurts somebody. I have had, in 7 years of doing insurance, I've had 6 clients have those claims, and even one of them was walking a dog with their dogs on leash. A dog ran across the street off leash, attacked my client's dogs. Unfortunately, my client's dogs won the fight.
Oh.
That owner sued my client, and they won $300,000, the full liability payout on their home insurance policy, which it wasn't even their fault or their negligence. So understanding that, talking with your broker, and knowing what, animals are always not predictable, so you can get in trouble pretty quick.
Okay, on that one, I think I'd not only get a new insurance carrier, I would get a new attorney, right?
That's true. Well, it's the attorneys at the insurance company that defend you. You'd think they would put, but I don't handle that side of claims. So, but
Yeah.
that's the outcome I'd heard on that particular one.
So I'm glad Mimi is not an excluded dog, right? If Frenchie's excluded,
I
no.
don't believe so. I'd have to look.
She
Every
does
carrier is a little bit
escape.
different. Yeah. So unfortunately, it's more the historical, vicious breeds. But again, I meet people that are like my pit bull is the sweetest thing, which, I understand, but it's the insurance carriers that control it all. So make sure you disclose that. Some don't automatically include it, so you can endorse animal liability. So you just got to ask to make sure you're properly covered.
So you must have Compass.
No, I don't. I no longer have that dog, unfortunately. I have two.
Oh, don't, yeah.
I have two mini Australian Shepherds now that are covered under my policy, and I've got their dog pet insurance that I also sell. We've got them covered across the board, so I don't have to worry about that issue.
Well, we always love having you on the show, Bobby. You're so much fun, and you have so many great stories. And any of you who want to know about insurance issues, because that's what we call this segment, insurance issues, email me, and we will answer that question on air. Right, Bobby?
That'd be great. Yeah, give us some more content to talk about, for sure.
Bye, you guys.
See you guys. Thanks.